In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze layers in AutoCAD. This technique is particularly useful for those who want to manage their design processes more effectively and keep focus on specific parts of their drawings without permanently altering or deleting any information. Before we jump into the instructions, let's talk about the difference between freezing and hiding layers in AutoCAD, as these are crucial concepts for managing your digital workspace effectively. Freezing a layer is essentially a way to temporarily turn it off, which means that when you freeze a layer, it does not just disappear from view, but it's also not calculated during any regeneration process. This can save computational resources and optimize performance when dealing with large and complex projects. On the other hand, hiding a layer, also known as turning it off, simply removes it from display in your current view. However, it's still a part of the drawing's regeneration process. Understanding these differences can significantly influence how you choose to work with layers in your design, depending on what your current task demands. Now that we understand the key distinctions, let's dive right into how you can freeze layers in AutoCAD successfully. The first thing you'll need to do is type layer into the command line and then press enter. Doing this action will bring up the Layer Properties Manager, a vital tool in your AutoCAD arsenal. The Layer Properties Manager provides a comprehensive list of all the layers that are included in your current drawing. It's a bit like the control center for all your layers, giving you the power to manage visibility, color, line weight, and of course, freeze layers. Once you have the Layer Properties Manager open, you will see the list of layers as mentioned. Now, scroll through your list to find the specific layer you wish to freeze. Typically, the manager displays layers in a tabulated format, which should make locating your desired layer reasonably straightforward. Once you have located it, direct your attention to the small sun icon next to the layer's name. This icon is your ticket to freezing that particular layer. The sun icon indicates the layer's current state. A visible sun means the layer is active and visible. When you click on that icon, it will change from a sun to a snowflake, signifying that the layer is now frozen. And there you have it. Your layer is now frozen. It won't appear in the drawing view, nor be part of the regeneration process. Experiment with freezing a few different layers to see how it can streamline your workflow, especially in larger files. This technique allows you to focus on just the elements of your drawing that are pertinent to the task at hand. Remember, managing layers effectively not only leads to cleaner and more efficient designs, but can also considerably speed up your work process in AutoCAD.